This brand new business model right now is exploding, and it has to do with selling AI websites to local businesses. And before you say, this is saturated, let me just jump in right away and show you. Okay, so right here is what's called an AI smart website. It has AI agents connected to the phone numbers, smart forms, clean layout, and it even has AI agents installed to make the website talk to you just like this. Hey, Cole, how you doing? I'm trying to book an appointment. My back needs a crack.
Hey there, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Let me check the available appointment slots for you real quick. One moment. It looks like we have some availability starting from Thursday, March 19th.
Now, this kind of AI can seriously scale businesses fast. It is the future without a doubt. If you don't believe me, you can look at what Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, and all these people are saying about AI. It is the future, and this is the future for local businesses. But here's the thing. If we come to Google and we type in any industry or niche and any location, and we come down, we can look at their websites, and we will not see these AI integrations, okay? Because they are new. This is a new business model. I'm trying to tell you guys, this is something that's new. This has not been around before, and all these businesses are trying to get ahead with AI, and that is where you can come in and be the hero. And if you don't believe me, go type in any keyword and any location and go down the list and click their websites. And you will not find any AI integrations almost anywhere. And if you do, let me know, because I will be very, very impressed. Now, the thing is, this isn't just hype, this business model I'm talking about. Tons of people, even beginners, are using this right now and crushing with it. Services like this on these AI-powered softwares. I'm telling you, I've never seen anything like this in my life. So I'm not gonna waste any of your time. I'm just gonna break down exactly what we're gonna be doing in this video, and I'm just gonna go right through it. So first thing, I'm gonna show you how to set up these AI smart websites. I'm even gonna give you this one right here for free. Then what I'm gonna show you how to do is how to find these business owners online, and then how to approach them, then how to use the AI demo to sell itself, or do the hard selling for you and complement you so you don't have to go through and spend a lot of time. And this is great if you don't have a lot of time, or you're really bad at sales, or you just want to scale really quick. It's like a win-win-win. And if you don't believe me, you're like, there's no way this can sell itself. It absolutely can. Check this out.
They said, I can do so much with this guy. I said, well, are you open to talking more options to see how we can install him into your business? And they were all for it. The agent sells itself.
It kind of also takes the pressure off of me in the sales process, which I like.
Yeah, well, hence the self-selling. And I've seen tons of other people, just like Shayla and John, doing this exact thing. I'm telling you guys, I have never seen anything like this. But now what I want to do is I want to walk you through step by step how to set this up, how to find the clients, how to go through the sales process, how to price this, and all that good stuff. So first things first, we're going to set this up. So in order to set up this entire template that I built for you, you're just going to need to use a software called HighLevel. Now, don't freak out. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I talked to the team, and I have a 30-day free trial right down below, so you can try this template that I have for free. And no, I'm not trying to sell you some coaching or some, outdated course. None of that. Put your credit card away. Don't worry. My whole goal is to give you something that worked for me and for others that you can try risk-free. So that 30-day free trial is right down below. And when you sign up with that too, you get access to my entire private community, all of my trainings, and up to 7 live coaching calls you can attend for free every single week. You can even talk to me on them just like that. Simple as is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just breeze through this and show you just how beginner friendly this is. And I'm even going to do this entire thing and set up this entire website, in under 2 minutes. Start the timer right now. And this is proof that this is super beginner friendly. So you're going to come in here and come to your dashboard, you come to AI agents, come to voice AI. We're going to click Cole. And all we're going to do is make sure the name of the business you have in there is good. And then right here, the proper name of whatever business you're trying to serve. Make sure this knowledge base is selected. Everything else has been set up. I've even built a calendar for you and done everything else. Do not worry about that. Then we're going to click save. You can also test right here if need be. But don't mess it up because I already set it up. Then we're going to go to sites. Okay, very simply, we're going to click websites right here. If I'm going too fast, don't worry, guys. You can always slow this down or just rewatch it. I'm just showing you for the sake of the timer how quick this is. Okay. And then all we're going to do, if you get a phone number and want to connect it, we can connect the AI agent to these 2 numbers, plug in a domain, if that's what you want to do, by clicking connect domain and putting whatever domain you have, clicking publish, and then it will be live. And then all we're going to do is go to chat widget, make sure this chat widget one is there. Okay. Make sure that this looks good. Make sure this agent is selected. Save if it is not. Go back, come to websites, do a final run through by clicking this preview link, test it live. So to test it live, we can either do like an SMS chat, a live chat, or a chat with voice. By the way, stop the timer because, well, I'm done, but let me just show you this anyway.
Hey, you have reached chiropractor snapshot. This is Cole. How can I help you today?
Hey, Cole, how you doing? I'm trying to book an appointment. My back needs a crack.
Hey there. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Let me check the available appointment slots for you real quick. One moment. It looks like we have some availability starting from Thursday, March 19th. Here are a few options. On Thursday, March 19th, 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m., and 9 a.m. Would any of these work for you?
9 a.m. Cole, 9 a.m. is perfect.
Great choice. To book your appointment for Thursday.
So we can just go through, they'll ask for all my stuff, but that's how easy it is. Like, I'm not kidding you. With these templates, it is the most beginner-friendly thing you can do. And in this community, I have a ton of others too, and I'm giving them to you for free. Yes, for free. Now, if you're like, well, this is really cool, but I want to learn how to do this manually, drop a comment down below just demanding for a tutorial on this, and I will send you one of the tutorials I have on YouTube that'll show you how to set this up from scratch. Don't worry. I have you covered either way, and that's free too, so don't worry. But again, all of this stuff, okay, the free template, the AI agent, the whole community, the calls, all of this stuff is free with that 30-day free trial. I'm not even kidding you. It legit is probably the best thing I've ever seen online. But we're not done, because now we got to sell this thing. Because a lot of gurus online, what do? They pull up and they go, oh, check how cool this is. Here's how to build this thing. It's great and all. And then they leave you there stuck. I'm not going to be like that. I'm going to now walk you through, once we have this set up and we have this simple template ready to go, because it is already plug and play. That is the beauty of AI. You can just copy and paste. We now are going to go into selling this and finding the right businesses to do so. Now, right before I do so, I just want to let you know, if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments down below. I will answer personally. I pride myself in transparency. Anything you want to say about this video, whether you love it or hate it, or any criticisms or things you love, let me know and I will answer personally so I can help you out. The more you do that to me, it helps me, and vice versa. We can learn quicker. But now let's find some businesses. So this is how we're going to find the businesses. Okay, so you're going to type in industry or niche and then location right into Google. That is step number one. So do that, and you can do that anywhere. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go after two different kinds of leads. This is really, really important. We're going to have the leads where we're building them the full AI smart website build out, and then we're going to be finding leads where we just give them this. And this is the really cool part about this software, guys. If we come into Chat Widget, we can actually just take this code and paste it in an editor on their website. It's literally like 3 clicks, and we can legit have these AI agents on any website. So it's not just about giving them a template. It's about just giving them AI in general. So if they have a website, we can help them out. If they don't have a website, even better, we can help them out twice. So I am basically giving you a lot more people to sell. Again, that is why so many people love this business model, and I'm seeing crazy results with it. And all these other people is because of this fact. It gives you way more people to sell. These other gurus online, they're giving you stuff that isn't like that. It's a lower amount of people to sell, and you can't help as many. With this, you can. So when you come into Google, we're going to go over the first way, which is finding people without websites. So we come right here. This is a lead. They don't have a website listed. Do more searching. We come down. This is a lead. They do not have a website listed. We're going to go to lead right here, lead right here, lead right here. You just can keep going through the line and find all the people that don't have websites listed or websites at all. Lead right here, lead right here, lead right here. I mean, there's tons of lead right here. There's tons of leads on Google. So for that first step, if they do not have websites at all, you want to give them this entire smart website. Don't worry, we're going to go over pricing in 1 second. Don't worry, I have you covered. But that is the first way. Okay, so those are the first leads. Now, there's multiple different ways you can reach out. You can cold call them. You can walk into the business. You can send them a piece of mail. You can cold DM them. You can message them via text message. In our community, we have trainings on this exact thing. I also have tons of free trainings on my YouTube too, so drop a comment down below if you're interested in that. I'll hook you up anyway. I have no gatekeeping. I give away everything for free. But in order to do so, you just need to find the ones that don't have websites, then reach out. So now we're going to move on to the next step, which is finding the leads that have websites, but no AI chat widget, which is like literally everybody. So if we come in here, we click these guys right here. I don't see any AI chat widget. You can even call their number to see if they have AI answering the phone, which they don't. And a little key tip is if you call in after hours and no one answers, that is a perfect business, because a lot of businesses need after hours. Like, they need it because the 24/7 open people go to the top of Google and they basically get more traffic because they're open all the time. So this basically will give them the ability to be open 24/7, which is huge. And I can legit go through like all of these. Can't find anything. These people definitely need a new website. Guys, this is just for educational purposes. I'm not trying to pick on any of these businesses. But right here, no chat widget, no chat widget. I mean, guys, it's like a open gold mine here. There's no one with these services. And I'm telling you guys right now, the people that I've sold and the people I know that are using these AI chat widgets are like, this is the greatest thing they've ever seen. I'm not even kidding you. It's not just like oh, this is a new little fad. Like, people are literally like, this, where has this been my entire life? And again, you can reach out and give it to them And this is one of those things, guys. It's like getting in Bitcoin when it was $10 or Netflix stock or the internet or whatever you want to call it before it got big. We are in that phase right now and you can get in on it. I'm not even kidding you. Like, this is that phase. So please do yourself a service and get in on this phase. So now that you understand how to reach out to businesses, let's go over pricing, because this is a really important part, because otherwise, if you don't have the right pricing, you'll reach out to these businesses and you'll be like, what the heck? So there's two different ways we can spin this. Number one, we can just charge a flat fee to set up and a recurring fee. So if you're just setting this up, we could charge anywhere from $1,500 all the way to $5,000 for a one-time payment. And then for the AI, it can be up to $300 per month recurring, okay, if you want it to be that way. Now, what you could do is you could waive the setup fee and immediately just go to this. It just depends on how you want to do this. I'm going to show you some stuff on recurring later, but this is just some really, really powerful stuff. But this all depends on how you want to do it. But you have either option. Now, if you're going after the businesses that do not need the website and they just need the AI chat widget, you're going to want to go with something like this, and maybe even a 7-day free trial. It just depends on you. But this kind of fee to get recurring is huge. So that's how you're going to price it, guys. And it's really, really important that you properly utilize this kind of stuff, because recurring cash flow is king. I'm going to go over that in the last part. I'm going to show you why, and you'll see, because I'm going to show you some numbers. It's really important to have the recurring money, because that's what's going to enable you to scale. And with this offer, it allows you to do both. So now that you understand pricing and how to find the businesses, well, how do you properly sell this once you get in front of them? Now, just like I showed you before with Shayla, John, and all those other people, you want to let the AI demo and sell itself. So this is what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to guide them through the AI selling their customer, not the AI selling them. This is really important. I'm going to repeat myself. Listen very closely. You don't want the AI to sell them. You want the AI to sell their customer. That's when their brain, okay, turns on and they see dollar signs, because they see how it works, okay, not just trying to sell them something. So you want to go up to them and say, hey, go to the bot and basically have it walk you through a chiropractic meeting on the phone. So like this, you'll say, hey, go through and act like a patient trying to book at X chiropractic business. So they come on like this.
Hey, you have reached Chiropractor Snapshot. This is Cole. How can I help you today?
Hey, I need to get an adjustment.
Got it. Let me check the available
Walking
appointment
right
slots
through
for
it.
you. One moment. It looks like we have some availability starting.
You also
from
want to have them
Thursday,
ask it
March 19th.
questions. So watch this.
Here are a few options.
Hey, Cole.
On Thursday,
Cole, let me just interrupt you real quick. See, I interrupted it. I need to ask you a question. Is chiropractics good for me? See, we're acting like it's a human.
chiropractic care is generally considered safe when performed by a licensed chiropractor. It focuses on spinal alignment and can help with conditions like back pain, neck pain.
So the whole goal of this, guys, is we want to go all the way through and have them book an appointment to see like this works as a person. Does that make sense? That's what's going to sell them. Then from there, you just say, hey, let me try this for free, or it costs this much. You don't want to be sitting there going, look how cool this AI agent is. I'm going to try it, and keep selling them on it. You just want to let them walk through it. Then the AI sells itself. Just like I said with Shayla and John, it's so important, because when you have it demo itself, it's much more powerful. So the last thing, once you get them sold and they have this exact thing, and they have the AI, smart website, you're going to want to go to the App Store, whether it be for Android or iOS, and you're going to want to have them download this free app. It does not cost anything extra. Do not worry. But what this essentially does is this is going to show all their leads, all their calls. And what this will do is you can put the notifications on, and it's going to show them every time, okay, a new lead comes in or someone got closed and booked an appointment. And this is huge, because this is constantly reminding them why they are paying you. Guys, so many people skip this step. They get lazy, they go, you don't need the app, whatever. But this is how they're going to see what you're doing is working, but it also keeps them paying you. Please do this kind of step. It only takes a couple extra minutes to set it up. And it's the kind of thing where they get the freedom of looking on their phone and checking it, and then they're getting the notifications constantly letting them know that your service is kick-ass. So this kind of stuff is so, so important. So that's really the last step. I now want to go into really how to scale this and repeat this process, because this is how you're actually going to really make money with this. Because again, I don't just want to leave you high and dry here. So let's kind of quickly do a quick recap. Okay, so first off, you understand what a smart website is, and you understand this exact business model I'm talking about. Number two, you understand how to set this up. Number three, you understand exactly how to find businesses and how to price it, and then how to obviously do the demo and using stuff like the app to keep them hooked. The last part about this is just something I want to break down really quickly, which is the importance of scaling recurring revenue. This is really, really important, and this is what is going to help you move a lot faster along. Now, what I want to show you is just one of my AI income streams and how this recurring recurring revenue works. Now, by the way, this is just my experience. This is not a guarantee. This is for educational purposes, but this is so, so important. So if we come right here and let's say we even go to January, we click apply, you'll see right here, we made about 17,000 in net volume. We come to February. Obviously we could go further back. It's pretty much the same, 19,000. And then currently, if we go right into March the 11th, we are at about $9,000. Now, this is just one of my income streams, okay, using selling AI products and whatnot. But this is so key for you to understand. When you have recurring money from business models like the one we talked about, or really any of these online business models, it helps you scale. Because if you're always selling onesies and twosies stuff, guys, like just website deals where it's just one-off, you don't build month after month. You're constantly having to fight, trying to get this, trying to get that. With this, if you are constantly in that state where every month you can make anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 on repeat, and again, this is just one of my income streams, what often happens is you can let this build up in the background, okay, just like this. And then what happens is when that money comes forward, you can either hire more people, run ads without having to break the bank. I'm telling you guys, recurring money is everything. Alex Hormozi calls it the continuity offer. And with these AI smart websites that I'm showing you, it has the ability at that $297 or $197 price point, you have the ability to constantly go back and back and back. I'm just going to leave you with this. It is so important to find a business model like the one I'm showing you. It's not because I'm biased. It's just because I've seen it work really well and it's worked for me. But it's because the recurring money is there with AI, and AI is here to stay. You cannot fight it. So please use this wisely. Go and start selling this. I'm telling you, this will change everything. Also, guys, if you are interested in getting access to my community and all that other stuff, it is right down below. The 30-day free trial. Check it out. It's risk-free. You'll see. I'm not trying to sell you stuff even back there. It's not like, hey, come be this secret, mastermind where you have to pay 30 grand. No, it's free. Okay, it's free. And if you really don't believe me, drop a comment down below or check out the link and you'll see everything there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Drop any comments down below. Check out the link. And then watch the video. It pops up at the end of this one because it's going to go over all the stuff in my community and really how to win. So thanks for watching, and watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.